Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Solik, and in today's news we have 21 creatures by Raven that we can use as battlers, a music pack of 13 cinematic songs by Tyler Klein and Dejika, a volume of piano pieces by Rakushiki. Next we have some new plugins for MZ, a plugin by Haxe Studio that allows us to apply hue, color tone, blend, and fade effects to characters and events. A plugin by Tamaki Awana that resets the penalty for failing to escape in time progress battles. And a plugin by Lyra Volta that prevents the stopping of BGM after battle. Next we have a project template by Kino of Lunatex, a template for creating plugins with Haxe programming language that work across both MV and MZ. A collection of fantasy CG backgrounds by Coonplant and Gotcha Gotcha games. A variety of UI material like Windowskins, titles, and buttons by Jikun Soft and Dejika. And lastly, a Japanese Elements Sprite by Sibitev. That is all for today. Go back to game making now.